Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you how to create a logo with GoDaddy Airo. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. So you might be wondering here, how do you exactly create a logo here with GoDaddy Airo? Well, this one is pretty simple. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and visit your dashboard here, which is going to be dashboard.godaddy.com, and just basically log in into your account. Now in here, under dashboard, you want to go to the GoDaddy Airo, and you want to go ahead and look for the option here that says pick a logo that feels like for your shop. Let's go and click on see logos. Now from here, immediately it should give you a number of options that you could choose from. So you could go and click on see more options if you don't like the logo that you're seeing right now. So this would actually refresh your shop or your options. And in this case, once you find the correct one for you, like for example, let's go and refresh it. For example, I like this design here. You go and click on it. Now, you have two options here. So you have use this logo or customize. Now, if you click on customize, this will actually allow you to edit your logo that we just saw here, which in this case, this will load the editor here and allow you to add different elements or change a few things here. So let's just wait for it to load up. Now, at the right side, you have the created color. So you can change the color here in whatever way you want. Like for example, you have modern, we have organic, we have minimal, and a lot more. Which in this case, you go and choose whichever design or color or pattern here that you want to use. So for example, maybe I want to use this specific color here, like luxury. Now from here at the left side, you also have the option to basically choose from logos that is already existing here and basically edit them. Like for example, you have a bunch of things here, you could go and click on them to use them. Now, at the left side, we also have shapes. Like you add shapes here that you may want to start using on your logo. So in this case, for example, if you want to add like a circle, go ahead and click on circle, and that would add a circle. You can go ahead and just place it into your logo and change a few things like the opacity on it, if you want to change the opacity, the shadows, the border, the corners, and color as well. So if you want to use a dark color for this one, you could go ahead and use that, or just basically have a different one. So yeah, you also have the option to add elements here. So for example, graphics, or you can add like icons. So you can go and search for icons here. So basically you can add whatever you want. Now font, you could basically just add different styles here. Like for example, let's go and use this one. And this will start adding that or add that specific font into, or that text into our design. Now you could go and change a few things like masking, blend, shadow, opacity, color, and even the actual text itself. Like if, for example, you want to change the size, letter spacing, font, and a lot more. Now if you want to delete something, just press it and just press on the backspace in order for you to delete that. You also have the option to add images here, just in case. You could go ahead and get from it from Unsplash or Pixabay here. And you could also access brand kit here if you want to add like logos, colors, and fonts, which is in this case, you don't necessarily need that. But once you're done, you can go and click on the continue button at the top right here to save your changes. And once it's actually saved, it's going to say your logo is set and ready to use. So you can go and click on continue to dashboard. And as you can see, we've just changed our logo for that specific shop. So yeah. So in this case, it should give you another pop-up here, but it will give you an offer here if you want to, but let's go and close this one. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you generate and create logos here in GoDaddy Airo. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to line up. Thank you for watching.